Salam, salam. I'm here to do a Unity moment. All right, y'all. So I'm trying this Mod Podge Super Matte. I never tried it. I done tried the gloss. I done tried the regular matte, but I never tried the super matte. Mod Podge is by Plaid, and it's a water-based glue sealer finish. And I have a customer that wanted this design is usually in a black. Y'all see a picture right up here, but she wanted a navy blue and she wanted it to be matte. So this one I did put one coat of matte on there, and I'm gonna put another coat in the back. I did put a coat of matte on here too. I'm gonna put another coat on here. I'm gonna show y'all that process. But this what I wanted to show y'all the difference between matte and glossy. So this is a extra matte, like, which I'm gonna do another coat. And then this is a glossy. Y'all see the glossy have a shine. I just want to show y'all the difference. So when I come back, I'm going to put another coat of this Mod Podge Super Matte on here, and then it's going to dry because it has it on there now, but I did do a little bit of tidy work on it. Like I went over it with a little paint. So I'm going to put another coat of it on it. But I like the way it looks. And then, you know, it's going to be protected, but it gives that dry look. People over the years don't like the shiny. A lot of my supporters. But a lot of them do. It's like a balance. There's more people just buy them as I make them. But this has made me want to do more, just naturally do more matte designs. I just put like a thin coat, and it do comes out milky, but it's going to dry clear. So I have a project I'm going to be working on with this. So this is going to be cool to use. The Mod Podge Dishwasher Safe. It's a gold glitter top coat. So I'll be using that. Y'all see that in the video coming up soon. And if y'all watch the haul that's up here, y'all will see in that haul it shows y'all the different Mod Podge that I received from Plaid. And I haven't worked with all of them. After it dry, I'm going to gloss the back. And I will come back and tell y'all what I think about it. I like it. Some people don't like the glossy gloss. They just like the dry matted and it's super matte. So it's still going to protect the earring. It's got a dry look to it. If I had to rate this for just using this the first time, I give it a 10 out of 10. The Mod Podge Super Matte. It did what it's supposed to do. All right, y'all. So don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Leave a beautiful comment. Respect those that respect you. Donate to my channel. You can donate as low as $1, high as you want. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter, or donate to a pet rescue or shelter. I'll see y'all in my next video. Salam, salam.